Welcome dear traders. In this video I'm going to share with you update about top cryptocurrency pairs such as Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cardano, Dogecoin, Ripple, Litecoin. At this moment we start from Cardano and we're starting right now. But before, push like and subscribe because my name is Yuri, I'm top of on trading and you will get a lot of value here inside. First, let's start from Cardano. Yesterday, I hope some of you remember that I recorded a video about Cardano when I told that Cardano will create a down drop. It is in our trading view page. As you can see, price at that time were at 1.18, and after that, Cardano got dropped. After that, Cardano got dropped. A few seconds, my friends. I would calculate it for you. 1.18. Cardano got dropped 30%. To be honest, with my team, we closed already this position. I closed it here, said it was so close to my take profit because at this moment, many of you have questioned what will be the next with Cardano. And I would like to share with you two scenarios on which I wait. First one, on what you should pay attention, that Cardano, as you can see, still in this upward trend, and as you can see, price just bounced from this trend line. It's good. Also, a lot of people really bullish on Cardano because as you can see, take a look at this Cardano Google Trends. As you can see, Cardano at this moment on its peak. That's why I think there could be still a lot of room for rise because there are a lot of hype nearly Cardano. But to be honest, I will not hurry up with this because yesterday I trade short, and at this moment what I would wait, my friend. As you can see, yesterday when I published that video, we traded breakout pattern. As you can see here, where is that video? It was breakdown pattern. It is a pattern which we use when we trade breakout strategy. As you can see, yesterday I showed two scenarios, but I had entry, and take a look inside in our VIP room, even here, inside in our VIP room yesterday, as you can see, I sent entry when I opened entry on Cardano when price was 1.1888. And my friends, at this moment we closed our profit, and at this moment what I would wait. For Cardano, I also would trade breakout strategy. What for me would be the best option to trade Cardano. If Cardano will create same squeezing pattern here and will break this up, I will open a trade and would be happy because it would be nearly the same as Cardano did it here. Take a look. Before breakout, as you can see, Cardano creates this local key level. We can open lower time frame, 1 hour, and you would see this beautiful breakout pattern. What do we have here? As you can see, we have local key level from which price bounced a few times. After that, every low, every high closer to key level, and after that breakdown, retest, and deep drop to trend line. It was really good, and that's why at this moment, if that would be opposite, because take a look, they broke this local trend line. If that would be opposite pattern and they will come back to this key level, that would be a good trade. Why? Because a lot of people here open sell position and sellers will quit, and sellers would stop losses of sellers when sellers close positions, they buy back. That could be a good reason that Cardano will rise up. If that will happen, Cardano can do the same pattern. As you can see, Cardano moves in this upward channel, and if Cardano will break it, I think next goal for Cardano could be at least re-high and 1.54 if that breakout will happen. My friends, at this moment I ask you to push like and share this video with other people, because if this video will get a lot of like, at least 500 like, I promise that I will record update to this video as soon as Cardano will show beautiful pattern. Also on our YouTube channel, you can open our YouTube channel and you will find a lesson about that breakout pattern. Take a look here. You just open YouTube channel and you scroll down, and here would be false breakout strategy and breakout strategy. It is two playlists. I recommend you to watch all of these lessons. Okay, let's go to another instrument. I think most of you came here because you are looking for Bitcoin, And at this moment, let's start from Bitcoin. Let's go to Bitcoin, my friends. For Bitcoin, I would say, I think for Bitcoin, it is a time to be in a range. At this moment, I found in my Twitter, one friend sent to me, as you can see, this it calls wage pattern. Why? I think huge possibilities that Bitcoin can do the same. Because as you can see, after every reasonable rise, Bitcoin always create a range. All the time, even here, rise, range, rise, range. And when those rise were really huge, range were even bigger. Take a look here. Price rose up nearly 20,000 from this place. As you can see also here, 20,000, 42,000. The same cycle. That's why at this moment I think that could be range. And in what cases it would be good and awesome to trade Bitcoin? If, take a look on this beautiful picture, we should open this. As you can see, if before breakout, what price create? First, breakout were trap. As you can see, this out were trap. But after, take a look how price create beautiful level. And after that, squeeze to that key level and broke it. The same here. If that would be, for example, fake out, and after that, price will create a beautiful level, we will trade breakout pattern. About breakout pattern, once more on our YouTube channel, you subscribe, open our main page, and here would be breakout strategy playlist. Soon I will add more video to this playlist if you will push at least 500 likes on this video. I promise to you. That's why about Bitcoin, my friends. At this moment, wait for breakout pattern. Only when breakout pattern will appear, there would be beautiful entry points. That's why at this moment, does not hurry up and wait for a beauty. Because, my friends, the huge possibility, big guys will create ranges because they will take your Bitcoins. They need to create liquidity inside of this. By the way, at this moment, write in comment, do you agree with me or you disagree? Also, ask your questions which you have about top coins right now in the chat, in comments, and I will reply to you. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's go to also the most important cryptocurrency pair in our universe. It is Ethereum. And take a look what's going on with Ethereum. Ethereum a few days ago broke also this beautiful trend line. And take a look in our VIP room with our VIP room members. It was March number 1. I wrote about Ethereum breakout. Take a look here. Ethereum. I opened my position, and today already we closed our breakout on Ethereum. And at this moment, part of the people open again entry because, as you can see, Ethereum exactly retested place of breakout. Remember that at this moment price retested that and also create a real low. That's why with huge possibilities that could be a re high at this moment. And part of the people who are inside in our VIP rooms, they open a position here. That's why what I can tell you about Ethereum. Ethereum as a Bitcoin, before creating any rise, I think Ethereum will be in some range. And after that, as Bitcoin will break, I think Ethereum also will break this accumulation. That's why, my friends, I wait for beautiful pattern, and when that pattern will appear, I will share it with you. Remember to push like and subscribe to get updates and ideas from me and my team, my friend. Okay, let's go to another one. Let's go to Ripple. Bitcoin, Ripple, Doge. We cover only top and the most important cryptocurrency pairs. Ripple. At this moment, I would wait for Ripple only at powerful key levels, because a few days ago we record a lesson on our YouTube channel about Ripple. Take a look here. It is a lesson how to trade false breakout, and I used example on Ripple how to trade it, because take a look how Ripple at this moment tricky, because Ripple always change. It moves only after some real low. Take a look before breakout, trap. After that here, as you can see, it moves only in the ranges. Take a look on this false breakout, how Ripple moved. That's a reason why I don't like Ripple at this moment, because still we have that SEC investigation. And because of that SEC investigation, Security Exchange Commission, a lot of people doesn't like to buy Ripple because a huge risk nearly that. For me personally, it would be awesome if price would hit false breakout of this key level. I would like to open buy position here. For me, it would be the best place which would be possible. After that, I would wait. In other case, I would wait for some beautiful key level and breakout pattern. But about that, what I can tell you at this moment, my friends. Trade Ripple only at powerful levels. Also on our TradingView page, I remember when I record about Ripple many ideas, and I told to people that Ripple is not good. I remember when I told to sell Ripple here, but not of you. I hope some of you remember it when I told it. At this moment, be careful with Ripple and trade it only with powerful levels. Remember about like and subscribe. Okay, and the last one about Litecoin, my friends. The last one would be Litecoin, or maybe we would cover also Dogecoin. Litecoin moves really close to Bitcoin, also to Ethereum. Also, Litecoin, as you can see, after this huge accumulation on daily chart, rose up. But if you would compare Litecoin to Ethereum, you would see that Litecoin different. Take a look on this example, simple drawings, daily chart, Ethereum. Take a look on this Ethereum, beautiful Ethereum. Ethereum, as you can see, after this range, rose up from its bottom. It rose up 2000%. It's a lot, my friends. It's really a lot. But if you compare Litecoin, it rose up in 2 times lower. At this moment, it's important to know more fundamentally about Litecoin project, because if it were fundamentally, I think it will it still have place to at least hit its all-time high. That's why at this moment, what I would do at this moment, I think Litecoin also as a Bitcoin, it will create some range. Also on Litecoin, I think it will create this trend line breakout pattern, and if that would be a beautiful trend line breakout pattern, I would open it and would hold it at least before part. I would close before re-high, and second part I would hold maybe even to all-time high, because if there would be another cycle up on Bitcoin, I think Litecoin also will rise up to this place. That's why, my friend, at this moment on Litecoin, as you can see, it preparing for a beautiful breakout pattern. If you want me to do more updates about Litecoin at this moment, below this video you should write a comment, and also subscribe. That would be the best call for me. Also, my friends, I would like to share with you some results which we got in our VIP room today for this month, for this week. Take a look. Part of our people, as you can see, take a look. 12% for this week. Some person made 24%. I personally made 8%. As you can see, many of our people, take a look on testimonials. Take a look. Read these testimonials. I attended 3-day session. Can you add feedback? As you can see here, take a look on this feedback. Read this feedback. As you can see, we have a lot of feedback from our students around the world, and also you can be one of them. That's why below this video there would be contacts, and you need to write to us and ask about our VIP room. Also, you should ask about our educational programs, because I promise I will teach you trade far better. And my friends, the last one about Dogecoin, I hope you remember this video where I told that Dogecoin can drop by 80%. And I still believe that Dogecoin can drop nearly 80%, because as you remember, it created this pattern which I call Google Trends pattern. Take a look here. Take a look here, and take a look Ethereum past 5 years. Below this video, I will add a link on this Dogecoin pattern, and learn here all reasons why I think it will drop. Thank you for watching. See you soon. Bye.